If you don't know step by step how to upload your videos on YouTube, this video is for you. In my last video, I told you guys I'll be explaining step by step how to upload your video on YouTube. So if you've not seen that video, try and watch it so that you know how we got here. Without wasting much time, let us proceed. Before you proceed to uploading your video, these things are supposed to be ready. Firstly, your video title. Secondly, your thumbnail. Thirdly, your description. Fourth, your keywords. Fifth, your hashtags. Then sixth, your tags. When all these things are ready, then you can proceed. And when your checklist is ready, you proceed to your YouTube app, not the YouTube Studio app. Select it. I'm using this new channel I created for this tutorial. I'll go to this plus button down here. Select it. Then you go to the video. I'm using a short video because YouTube considers videos that are not up to 3 minutes. Any video that is less than 3 minutes is a short video on YouTube. So this one I'm using is less than 3 minutes, so it's a short video, but it is the same step by step with a long video, just the part where you add your thumbnail that is the difference. So let's proceed. I select the video.
The tree that walks across.
I'll go to next.
The tree that walks across the jungle.
Next. Now it's asking me for the caption or the title. This is where you put it. This is the title. Because this is a short video, the only hashtag I'm going to put here is hashtag shorts. Because if you put more, YouTube is going to see it like you are spamming. So it's just better you put one and leave it like that. So next thing is, you see visibility is in private, but I'm going to schedule it so that it's going to go live at a particular time. So I'm going to use today's date. I'm going to use today's date, and I'm going to use 2 p.m. local time. That's when I want this video to drop. After I set the time, I'll go back. Why is advisable to schedule your videos is because it gives the algorithm time to scan your video, process it, and make sure the right people views your video. Okay, when you hit publish immediately you want to upload a video, it doesn't give the algorithm time to go through your video and show it to the right people. So the best thing to do is to schedule it. Okay, so after scheduling it, you go back. So scroll down, you select audience. Here where it says select audience. For any video that is not cartoon or animation, it's better to select not made for kids. Okay, so then you go back. If there's any related video, like if there's a video you want people that are watching this video to still watch, you use this selected video option to add the video. The video must already be in your channel as an uploaded video. That is when you can use this related video. In this case, we don't have anyone, so go down. And here it says altered content. Because this video was made with AI, we'll select altered content and say yes, because it was made with AI. And we'll go back. Then here it says upload short. Then we'll click on upload short. This is the first step because we're still going to add our keywords, descriptions, and the rest. But that is after you must have uploaded the video. Now if you watch down here towards your right, you see the arrow where it says your video is still uploading. Okay, look at the video here, one uploading. So we'll give it time to upload. Now it is finished uploading. Let's see our video. This is the video up here. So after it has uploaded to our channel, this is a list of all the videos in this channel. So we go to these three dots over where this video is. This is the video, this is the last video here. So we tap these three dots. You see edit. You tap on edit. This is where we'll now add our description. Can you see it? If you don't upload the video first, it will never give you this option. Okay, so now we have to add our description. All right, if you don't upload, it will not give you this option yet. Okay, it's after you upload then you can edit and add all these things. So our description is already here. I copied it earlier, so I'm going to just paste. Okay, this is my description. After adding the description, you use this back button to go back. The description is already there. Then you go down. Here is ask this location here. This thing I'm talking about is happening in the Amazon rainforest, so I can just put Amazon. Okay, Amazon rainforest. You can see it here. I just select it and use it as the location. Okay, anybody searching anything related to Amazon or rainforest will see this video. You understand? So now you see tags here. Say add your tags. So tap here. I have my tags already, so I'll just add them. It's already there. So next thing I'll do is to add my keywords, because your keywords is supposed to appear in your description here. Your keywords and your hashtags. Okay, so I'll add them down here. I have my keywords. Let me add my keywords first. Okay, so my keywords are all of these. Okay, these are my keywords. Then I'll add my hashtags down here. Okay, and you are supposed to add a maximum of 15 hashtags so that YouTube will not consider your hashtags like you are spamming the network. So just use a maximum of 15 hashtags. Okay, so after that you use the back arrow to go back. To add your thumbnail, look at this pencil icon here. You tap on it. It is going to show you every page in this your video which you can use as your thumbnail. And one trick I use normally for short videos is that I upload a picture of my thumbnail when I'm doing the CapCut editing, so that when I upload the video, automatically I'm going to select that particular picture as my thumbnail because it is already within the video. But it's not the same for longer videos. Okay, it's just for short videos that it works. So for any longer video, you're going to have your thumbnail in your device so that when you want to edit it, you now add the thumbnail manually. But because this one is a short video, when you put a thumbnail in your short videos manually, it doesn't really appear. It chooses a picture inside your video and use it as a thumbnail automatically. Okay, so but this trick works for me every time. So assuming I don't have anything to use as my thumbnail, I can select any of these pages in my video. Okay, these are points in this video which I can use as thumbnail. Okay, so but because I already have one, I'll just select it. Okay, so this is it. It's going to select that first page which I uploaded as my thumbnail. So after I select it, all I have to do is click on this arrow up here and it's selected. After that, my video is ready for the final upload. Okay, so my thumbnail is already here and my title, my description and my tags are already in place. So after that, I will click on save, and after that my video is uploaded, so it's waiting for the scheduled time so that it can go live. Okay, and that's all. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. If this video gave you any value, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another video. My next video will be something very interesting, so stay tuned. And until then, stay creative.